Have you ever pondered why some people can make decisions swiftly and confidently, while others tend to hesitate, second guess, and often end up in a muddle? The answer, quite simply, might lie in the power of critical thinking. Picture this scenario. You're at a farmer's market and you see two stalls selling apples. One stall has a brightly coloured sign that screams organic apples, while the other one has a modest sign that simply says apples. Which one would you choose? An individual who applies critical thinking might not be swayed by the bright sign and would instead ask relevant questions about the origin, growth conditions, and certification of the organic apples before making a decision. Now let's shift gears and look at a more complex example. Imagine you're a scientist studying climate change. You're faced with a myriad of data, research papers, and theories. Critical thinking becomes your lifeline here. It helps you to sift through the sea of information, question the sources, analyze the data, and eventually draw conclusions that are not only based on facts, but also logically sound and credible. Critical thinking is like a toolbox of mental strategies that helps us navigate through complex situations, whether they're about choosing apples or solving the puzzle of climate change. It's not just about being skeptical or doubting everything. It's about being open-minded yet discerning, curious yet focused, and above all, rational yet flexible. So what are the key takeaways about critical thinking? 1. It helps us make decisions that are not merely based on emotions or societal pressures. It empowers us to weigh the pros and cons, consider different perspectives, and make choices that are informed and thoughtful. 2. It enables us to differentiate between fact and fiction. In an era of information overload and fake news, this skill is more vital than ever. 3. It's not confined to any one field or discipline. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone trying to navigate the complexities of life, critical thinking is your best ally. 4. It fosters independence. It equips us with the ability to reason, question, and think for ourselves rather than blindly following the crowd. And finally, it forms the bedrock of effective communication. It helps us articulate our thoughts clearly, present our arguments persuasively, and listen to others with an open and analytical mind. In a nutshell, critical thinking is the compass that guides us towards rational and informed decisions in a world brimming with information and diverse viewpoints. So the next time you're faced with a decision, big or small, remember to harness the power of critical thinking. It might just be the difference between a hasty, regrettable decision and a wise, well-considered one.